Hello. I come here because 2 months ago I get married with a man through your company.
Hello, and what is the problem?
I'm sorry, I want to talk with you.
Wait a moment, please.
Okay.
He left me.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. How can I help you?
I don't know, but your company told me that here I could marry and would have a secure and stable relationship.
Sorry, I want to talk with you. I'm late.
Wait a moment, please.
You're very rude.
You can check the magazines here.
Okay.
Okay, I understand you, but we help people to get married, and what happens after the relationship is up to you. Please accept my apology.
But I have spent a lot of money in this company thinking that my relationship could be secure and forever.
Well, I can give you your money back, but I can propose you another opportunity. Do you think it's okay?
Well, I would think that it's very possible.
Okay.
Goodbye, thank you.
Goodbye. I hope your answer.
Sorry. Are you in the list of the candidates?
I'm thinking of.
Do you want go to a coffee with me now?
Okay.
Come on.